Hey everybody, it's Allie and welcome to my channel. It is time for our monthly Boxycharm unboxing video. Yes, and it is also time where I give a disclaimer that my little ones are here with me. So if you hear their little voices, those are my babies. I'm filming, I want to get content out for you guys, and the only way to do it is to have my babies with me. So if you hear them, they're here. Say hi. You want to say hi? Hi. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service where you pay $20 or $25. Do you remember what it is?
25.
25? We'll double check on the price for you, but we'll let you know. So we're going to get started in unboxing. I will leave all the links and information down below if you guys want to go ahead and check out Boxycharm for yourself. But let's open it up.
And we're making banana bread.
And we're making banana bread. Okay, so here is a card that actually tells us each product with all the value. Hold on, sweetheart. Oh my gosh, I just saw something and I'm so excited. So the first thing that I'm taking out that I'm so excited and I was really hoping that I got it is the Birthday Suit Lip Gloss by Alamar Cosmetics. Guys, this has become my favorite lip gloss. I'm actually wearing it right now. It is the perfect pinky nude with like just the right of sparkle in there. So I already own this lip gloss, but I was hoping to get this one too just because I love it so much. And this is in a limited edition packaging. So, oh my gosh, very excited about that. And this does value at, I think, $15? Yes, $15. I'm so happy that I snagged another one of this. I'm so excited. Okay, let's move on. So next we have by the Creme Shop. It's not eggies. She thinks they're eggs. Okay, these are not eggs, although my baby thinks they're eggies. Okay, so these are the Next Gen Blender Set by the Creme Shop. So they're makeup sponges. I love me a good makeup sponge. I actually, for the longest time, was like 4 makeup sponges and then I kind of stayed away from them. And now I'm kind of back at a whole makeup sponge kit. But these look really pretty. Ooh. So I'll give these a go. I'll give this a try. If you guys want to see a video on these sponges, let me know. Maybe we can test them out, compare it with other sponges. I don't know. But these go for $22. Okay, and it does say that it's good for powder and liquid. So we'll see. So the next thing that I have is by Studio Makeup. It is their Endurance Cream Eyeshadow. So I have used a couple of the Studio Makeup things in the past from Boxycharm actually. I normally don't wear cream eyeshadows or liquid eyeshadows. Ignore this swatch. This is from an Ipsy bag, but let's swatch this out and see. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. What do you think about this?
Ooh.
Pretty, right?
It's glittery.
It is glittery. It's like very sparkly.
It's a birthday?
No, the other one's birthday. This is in gold. So this, let's just read about it a little bit. It says, get both shimmer and shine with this cream eyeshadow. It says to apply a sheer layer for a soft and radiant daytime appearance or add a few layers for a dramatic evening glow. So we shall see. That actually is really pretty. I want to see how that dries down. Let's kind of play around with a little bit. So yeah, as I kind of blend it out, it is pretty sheer. I actually thought it was going to be a little bit more pigmented, but that's actually really pretty. I like that sparkle. When I want like a very sparkly look, maybe this will be something good. I don't know. We'll play around with that. And this actually goes for $25. Okay. Yeah.
Ooh, what are those two swatches?
Swatches, yeah. It's pretty sparkly, and I do see it kind of falling though, so we'll have to see, because when I want sparkle in my eyes, I don't necessarily want it all over my face. So we'll put that to the test. So the next thing that I got, I'm actually pretty excited for. This is by the Clean Skin Club. I have not used products by them before, but this is their Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It has watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. So I'm hoping that this isn't super fragranced because, as Hiram says, we don't like fragrance. We don't want fragrance. We don't need it, right? So anyways, yeah, my skin has been quite the disaster for the past few months. I'm saying it's all for the stress, from the stress. I'm really hoping that this is going to help my situation because honestly, under all this makeup, it's just like blemish upon blemish. I've never experienced this in my life. I'm hoping that this is going to help with all the dark spots that I'm left with all these blemishes all over my face. Anyways, basically any skincare product I'm very excited about because I will take anything at this point to help my skin situation. But forget about my personal rant. This does retail for $49.95. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out. So last but not least, I have Ace Beauty. Ooh. This is their Bronzed in Paradise palette. This is what it looks like. This looks a little bit warm, a little bit red for me. I've used Ace Beauty or Beauté, I don't know how to pronounce it. I've used their eyeshadow palette in the past and I actually really, really like it. So I have high hopes for this. And this retails for $30, so pretty good. So for this month, the grand total is $141.95. So basically $142 for what, $20 or $25 a month? Again, I forget what I pay for it, but yeah, so pretty good. I'm honestly most excited about the Clean Skin, the Brightening Serum, and the lip gloss just because I'm obsessed with that gloss. So pretty good. I love Boxycharm. That's it. I will leave the information down below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up for yourselves, and let me know what you guys got in your box if you get Boxycharm as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, or ring the bell for notifications. Stay happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you.
Okay, each box is set to value at over $100. Okay, let me move this out of the way. And say thank you. Say thank you. Thank you. Okay, thanks.